Yo, what is up, gearheads? Welcome back to Shift 100, the only channel on the grid that actually digs into the data stream. Today, we are looking at the 2026 Ford Bronco Sport. Now, the baby Bronco has always been the, let's say, practical cousin in the family. But for 2026, Ford is trying to give it a serious vibe check. The big headline? A new bronze appearance package. And yeah, we need to talk about this pivot. So let's get the specs dialed in. Ford is making this new bronze look available on the Big Bend trim, and crucially, you can stack it with the Black Diamond off-road package. That's a smart combo. This isn't just some cheap spray-on job. Ford is calling the color Sinister Bronze, which is honestly pretty epic. You get these slick 17-inch mid-gloss bronze wheels, which look absolutely proper against colors like the new Azure Gray or classic Oxford White. They didn't stop there. The Bronco lettering on the grille and the liftgate gets this two-piece treatment, bronze letters stacked on a black outline. It's a subtle flex, and it looks expensive. They even hit the fender vents with the bronze treatment. But here's the real shift, the detail that tells me the design team was actually thinking. They brought the bronze inside. We're talking bronze-painted accents across the dash, around the air vents, and even on the door panel channels. It frames the tech. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, you're looking at that big 12.3-inch digital cluster, which, thank God, seems to be the new standard, and it's all tied together with this warm metallic hue. It's a cohesive design language, but here's the flip side. While the interior looks premium, the core powertrains are a direct carryover. We're still looking at the 1.5-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder for the main lineup, pushing about 181 horsepower. It's adequate. It gets the job done. But let's be real, it's not going to set your pulse racing. To get the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with 250 horses, you still have to pony up for the top-spec Badlands trim. And this is where the 2026 model gets complicated. Ford also quietly dropped the base trim. That's right, the entry-level ticket is gone. The Big Bend is now your starting line. This is a classic manufacturer squeeze. Raise the price floor by eliminating the cheapest model, then justify the new entry price by adding premium packages like this bronze one. It's a calculated move. Are they improving the value or just the profit margin? Honestly, if you're a car enthusiast who values the little details, you need to see this bronze in person. Go hit up your local Ford dealership's website right now and see if they have allocation details, because this package will be the one everyone wants. The stitching, by the way, isn't bronze. It's a unique color called Canyon, which is this earthy tone on the seats and steering wheel. It's tasteful, but it does make me wonder if Ford missed the mark by not offering the 2.0-liter engine as an option on the Big Bend. Imagine that 250 horsepower engine paired with this bronze and black diamond combo. That would be the perfect sleeper. All right, that's the data we have on the 2026 Bronco Sport. Ford is definitely shifting its strategy, aiming for a more premium, aesthetic-driven buyer. Is it the right move? Time will tell. We cut through the marketing hype to give you the real data you need to make a smart decision. That's the Shift 100 promise. If you want more deep dives that respect your intelligence, hit that subscribe button right now. We're decoding the future of automotive, one shift at a time. See you on the next one.